All right, so now that I've got everything running, I'm gonna go ahead and first, I need to add, so Docker network connect salt master. It already exists, okay, great. I must have already done it. And now I'm going to run salt minion and add salt minion into the same network. Now, technically, I don't need to have the network created for these two containers to talk. The only reason why I did this is if I wanted to reach one container with another using the container name, this makes it a whole lot easier. So I don't technically need to do this. One container should be able to reach another via IP. But this enables it so we can go ahead and use it via the container name. Excuse me. So to do that, we need to first test out if the master can reach the minion. But the master doesn't have ping, so because it's a container, so we need to add ping. So docker exec, let's see. I guess we could do it in bin bash. So, and this is Ubuntu, so apt-get install ping. Ping has no installation. Virtual package usually explicitly select one to install. Okay. I'm not exactly sure which package I should be installing. I may need to. Let's see. All right, that's the one. Sweet. So now I need to ping the other container. So docker exec salt master ping salt minion. There you go. See, with this way, since both of the containers are in the network, I can just use the container name to have network connectivity using the Docker CLI between the two containers. Now, the other thing is I want to make sure that the minion is able to reach the master using the IP address that we provided for salt in its config. So docker exec /user bin salt test.ping. Okay, so for some reason my test.ping took forever, and it actually did return with the minion, but however, since I tested this a few times, the previous containers did not return, and so therefore I had to delete the previous containers, and then I reran it, and I got the same warnings as I've always gotten, but I got the minion connectivity. So therefore that means that the minion is able to reach the master, and I'm able to control it and to do whatever I want. And that's essentially the idea of this exercise. So thank you guys for joining on my Docker course. I'm going to go ahead and keep on hackling away. I might actually get into Docker Compose next. Docker Compose is a very simple version of Docker. So basically, instead of having these large large runs with the volumes and whatnot and the name and so on, you can write it all in a YAML file, and Docker Compose takes care of all of that and runs the containers as you want them. So I will see you guys next time.